Have you ever looked at your bank app and thought, wait, what is this place? I mean, sure, you know your bank is where you keep your money, but have you ever really looked at it? Like, really looked at it? Today, we're diving deep into one of those banks that might have slipped under your radar, Varo. Now, the world of banking has changed drastically over the past decade. We've gone from brick-and-mortar giants with marble lobbies to digital-first challengers promising convenience and better rates. In this whirlwind of change, new banks are popping up all the time. Some you've heard of, like Chime or Revolut. Others, not so much. Varo is one of those. But here's the thing. Varo isn't just any bank. It's a peculiar creature in the banking world. It's a chameleon, shifting its identity to fit different molds. And that's what makes it so intriguing. What is Varo? So, let's cut to the chase. What is Varo? Is it a bank? Is it a fintech company? Or something else entirely? Well, the short answer is it's complicated. On the surface, Varo operates like a bank. You can open a checking account, save money, and even get a debit card. But unlike traditional banks, Varo doesn't have physical branches. It's entirely digital. This puts it in the category of online or digital banks, a group that's been gaining popularity in recent years. However, Varo also has some fintech characteristics. Fintech, short for financial technology, refers to companies that use technology to improve financial services. Varo employs technology in innovative ways, like offering features like early direct deposit and fee-free overdraft. This blend of banking and fintech is what makes Varo a unique player in the market. Varo's history. To truly understand Varo, we need to take a quick trip down memory lane. Founded in 2015, Varo started as a mobile-first banking app. Its initial focus was on serving the underbanked and in-banked populations. By offering fee-free accounts and building trust, Varo quickly gained traction. Over the years, Varo has expanded its offerings. It introduced savings accounts, debit cards, and even loans. This growth trajectory has positioned Varo as a more comprehensive financial services provider. Varo and regulations. One of the key questions about Varo is its regulatory status. Is it subject to the same rules as traditional banks? The answer is kind of. While Varo operates under a banking charter, it's a special type of charter called an industrial loan company, ILC, charter. This charter offers some flexibility compared to traditional bank charters, but also comes with its own set of regulations. It's important to note that the regulatory landscape for fintech companies is constantly evolving. As Varo continues to grow, it's likely that its regulatory environment will also change. Varo's business model. How does Varo make money? Well, like most banks, it generates revenue through fees and interest. However, Varo has a unique approach to fees. It's known for offering fee-free checking accounts, which is a big draw for customers. To offset the lack of fee income, Varo relies heavily on overdraft fees and interest income from loans. It's a business model that's similar to traditional banks, but with a digital twist. Varo versus traditional banks. Now, let's compare Varo to traditional banks. What are the pros and cons of each? Traditional banks offer a physical presence, which some people prefer. They also have a longer history and a more established reputation. However, they often come with higher fees and less flexibility. Varo, on the other hand, is all about convenience and digital-first experiences. It offers lower fees and innovative features, but it lacks the physical branches and the long-standing trust that traditional banks have built. Is Varo right for you? Ultimately, the decision of whether to bank with Varo comes down to your personal preferences and financial needs. If you value convenience, low fees, and access to modern features, Varo could be a good option. However, if you prefer the personal touch of a physical branch and a more established institution, a traditional bank might be a better fit. Conclusion. Varo is a fascinating case study in the evolution of banking. It's a hybrid of a bank and a fintech company, offering a unique blend of traditional and innovative services. While it's not perfect, it's clear that Varo is making waves in the industry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.